I think you are searching about adjustable power adapter, and obviously, the best one. Beside that, following think, are you looking for? Need good quality adjustable power adapter? Need free shipping adjustable power adapter? Looking for overcurrent protected power adapter? Looking for temperature protected power adapter? If the answer is yes, then let's go, and stay until end. We are just reviewing the top 3 best adjustable universal power adapter. Number 1. Zuczug adjustable universal power adapter, and the feature is output voltage, DC 3 volt to 12 volt, 3 volt to 24 volt and 9 volt to 24 volt. Input voltage, AC 100 to 240 volt. Total cable length, 200 centimeters. Efficiency, 95%. Size, 118 into 50 into 31 millimeters. Let's go for number 2. 3 to 12 volt adjustable power adapter, and the feature is material, ABS, PC fireproofing material. Input voltage, AC 100 to 240 volt, 0.25 A and 50 to 60 Hz. Output voltage, 3 volt, 4.5 volt, 5 volt, 6 volt, 7.5 volt, 9 volt and 12 volt. Power cord length, 1.2 meters. Charging protection, overcharge protection, overcurrent protection and temperature protection. Let's go for number 3. Doxa adjustable universal power adapter, and the feature is input, AC 100 to 240 volt and 50 to 60 Hz. Output, DC 3 to 12 volt, 3 to 24 volt, 9 to 24 volt adjustable. Output current, 5 ampere, 2 ampere and 3 ampere. Power, 60 watt, 48 watt and 72 watt. Total cable length, 200 centimeters.